ye kan wuntie Debbie na obehu ka wio no onu me ka kire mo say John Dramani Mahama aka Bole Bamboy John Bosco. You shouldn't trust that man because he trusts John Dramani Mahama at your own risk. You trust this man at your own risk. And the teachers for 2023 from we school me and my sister Medinechi. Mrs. Pinya Medinechi. She is part of your national service last year. I was said this year any employer. This government is yet to give them financial clearance to employ them. No can say no. On what says the street no go piomo. Ministry of Education almost say until we say how ne drusu. E baba ka tro almost say when your financial clearance e dia mo na ometimi employer mo no. They are not leaving the Ministry of Education. They say busuya ukoko piomo e wo Greater Accra Ministry of Education headquarters there. Yet teachers for 2023 batches no. Na there's some akwa piomo ho no busuya enya asem ketua. Share video no. Share bra.
Depending on our parents. 2 years in the house. Depending on our parents. After completing kind of education. They should just close the school down. They should close the and after 6 months they'll be recruited. They must fulfill their promise. What they tell them, they must fulfill. We are not against them. I'm saying it's against them. We are not against them. We want them to earn our respect. We want them to earn our respect until they abuse it.
When you force me Huyanka, I know any draw. Me Huyanka na catchway, me Huyanka come to Abapa. Now so a catchway, there is nothing you can do. We have 3 years, 1 month to go. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. I told you people yesterday that the biggest mistake Ghanaians made on December 7, 2024 was voting John Dramani Mahama as the President of the Republic of Ghana because he does not qualify to be on that seat again. But you people went ahead and voted for him. Now you people are there crying. What do you expect us to do? Because it's not like we did not warn you guys. We actually warned you guys about voting for this man because he's incompetent. He's indecisive. And he doesn't care about teachers and nurses. I warned you people. How far? Okay? How far now? Nigeria man will say, how far now? You don't clear. Everywhere go first words, blare. Your eyes, you don't clear for your on the eyes. Nigeria neighbors here, you don't clear for on the eyes. Why do you know? Money at the hole. But the thing is, there is nothing we can do about it now. My own sister, my elder sister, is also part of the 2023 teachers on youth community service last year. My elder sister is also part. See, we warned you guys about John Dramani Mahama. We told you Samunko Busamu seniors from 2013 to 2016. But you guys said, Yampa and Kwasi, baby. Because you thought John Dramani Mahama, aka John Bosco, aka Bollywood boy Idi Amin. You guys thought he was going to do something special. The man that cancelled the teacher and nursing training allowance promised you that he was going to pay the allowances for you when he's voted as the president again. The man that couldn't pay your seniors who worked for 3 years and paid them only 3 months promised you that Oba is going to employ you and make sure say he pays all your arrears, and you believed in this person. Bro, that is the biggest mistake you can ever make as a human being who lives in Ghana. Believing someone who is incompetent, who is indecisive, who cannot decide for himself, it's a big mistake to do as a human being. And now today, we are all suffering together. You see, the sad part is there are some wise people who voted against John Dramani Mahama, but they are all suffering together with the ungrateful and ignorant people who went ahead and voted for John Dramani Mahama. 2024, you guys were all over the country. John Dramani Mahama, joy. Now you are crying. Bro, who is crying now? Who is in pain now? Say you can't accept you. Now we are what dinner went here. This is how it ends. This is how it ends. Now look at what is happening. Now, I'm not even sure. I want to ask a question. Teachers, any nurses now I am problem. Now we pay in by now we demonstration. How far? Because I heard say November ni bema mutuskano. I've not seen any communique or any publication now indicating say your money has been paid. Can you guys let us know? Make Ona help me. I want to know the nursing and the nurses and the teachers. We demonstration last month and last 2 months. This government promised you people say you bet you come November. Today is the 19th, and I'm yes, 19th November 2025. We have 11 days to go. Musika ni yetu mamu, and I intuye. What is going on? Now, 2021 nurses, 22, 23, almost 2024 for your service. I'm not gonna say. Yes, almost service. 2025, how far? Mama baby, you know. How far? And I'm going to put that. I think some of you want. So more service maybe next year. 2025 grandpa, more service. 2024 4 year this year. 2025 must start maybe next year, right? Okay. Me name wa kameja ko pebe nku bia ton. Mom da na nya blog in wine ska wom. YouTube betu ya ka, Facebook betu ya ka. TikTok with foreign account betu ya ka. Why? Na school need the beans. Wait to make it 5,000 a month. So unya more content na monetize on tem ko ade a. Nti munjai school no na mfa to be na mun to content creating. Why? Mun share mo ideas amowo no. Na mun fan build a community for yourself on social media. People will watch your video and their pages now on their platforms now will post to us no. They will pay you for people watching your video. Just share your ideas and people will watch it, and YouTube, Facebook and TikTok, Instagram will pay you for that. I swear it is better than that work now now waiting 6 months into our canon. All the stress no. Then into our we are 25th.